Hello everyone, this is My Life for Ire, and welcome to my new vlog. Well, is this a vlog? See the light? That's pretty cool. The backlighting, you can see it's called the rim lighting, right? Something like that. Anyway, a little bit of update. I haven't posted vlog for a very long time. I haven't made a vlog for a long time. I don't know. Maybe I lost my interest in vlogging again. It's happening again and again. There's a cycle. I'm gonna vlog a few days and I'm gonna give up and I'm gonna come back up and vlog a few more days. But anyway, today I want to talk about my lens reviews. So I wanted to make this review for the 17 to 70mm f2.8 to f4 lens. I can't wait to make that video because I'm so in love with this lens. It's beautiful. As the moment I took it out of the box, I just fell in love with this lens because of build quality and image quality and the functionality and the versatility and the aperture. Everything everything about this lens is fantastic. Almost impeccable in my eyes. Almost, right? There are some, it is not native lens on my GH5, it's adapted, all those blah blah blah, but still I really enjoy using this lens. As you can see, I'm using this lens right now at f2 wide open 17mm. So I really want to make this review, but I do need to accumulate more experience shooting with this lens. I need more. I just got this lens like last week, so I definitely need more time with this lens. I can't just rush out a review, and it's not going to be authentic. If I just review the lens after a week I received it, it's not like people can't trust you. Like, you used it for a week, what do you know about this lens? You haven't shot anything interesting with this lens yet. So I'm trying to shoot more with this lens. As you can see here, I'm shooting a vlog with this lens. So I did in the past, I did shoot review very fast, like after a week or two of getting a new lens. For example, the Sony Super Zoom 24-240 lens. I reviewed that lens very quickly. That was like kind of an unboxing review, I guess. So I just very spontaneously I brought it to Venice and I just shot an entire review video while I'm using that lens, like just on the go. Like, I just made a review on the go, kind of. So that was not, I didn't have a ton of experience shooting with that lens yet, but I was just, outlining all the basics, the basic characteristics and what I liked about the lens and what I didn't like about the lens and stuff. Did I mention anything I didn't like? Maybe the aperture, maybe it goes to f6.3 at wide end, so it's not too bright. That could be the only thing I would complain about. Maybe the size was really big. I don't know, back then I didn't really mind because I was using Sony Fullframe. Everything was big and heavy anyway. So yeah, that video actually got a lot of views. It was pretty successful. I don't know, I guess I did a good job presenting that lens, even though I didn't shoot with that lens for very long. But I did make some very nice examples, like zooming in and out in Venice, and I guess Venice Island has a certain type of charm that people just like it. And that video took off. It's pretty successful. It's going somewhere. But I prefer to be more cautious, to shoot more deliberate kind of type of review instead of just grab a lens and a review and dump it. Sometimes I do that, especially to cheap lenses. Like if I get a newer lens for 50 euro, 60 euro, I'll definitely review within a week and then just maybe sell it on second-hand market. But anyway, I wanted to review this lens, right? Sigma 17 to 70mm. And then and then I realized I haven't reviewed my other two lenses yet, like this Sigma 30mm f1.4 lens. I haven't reviewed this lens yet. I got this last month, or yeah, I think a month ago or two. And Sigma 10 to 20mm f3.5 lens. This one is also to be adapted. I need to use speed booster on my GH5, and it's fantastic wide angle lens. I haven't really reviewed it like very systematically, talking about all the specs and talking about, you know, just a pixel peeping a little bit to show some sample pictures and videos. Yeah, I definitely need to do that. So yeah, a lot of work to do, a lot of ideas, a lot of projects to be done. But you know, there's one thing that I have to accomplish before I doing the review is to shoot more with these lenses. I can't just go out and make a review right now because I don't have enough sample footage and photos, and it's gonna be boring if I don't have very diverse photo sample and video samples. I can always shoot Venice again and again with different lenses and then put it in my review videos. It's gonna be really boring for you guys to see as well as for me. I don't want to see Venice over and over, the same scene, always Rialto, always Canagrande. It's kind of repetitive, so I want to wait for an opportunity, you know, to travel a little bit, see another city, and shoot a bunch of more a different setting, different kind of pictures. And then I'll make a comprehensive review. I'll talk about that. I'll cover everything, just about everything that you need to know about a lens. And I think I did a pretty good job reviewing the GH5 for vlogging and the Lumix 12 to 60mm. Those two review videos were pretty new, and I'm still waiting for them to take off. I don't know how long it's gonna take. Probably a long time. I reviewed the 12 to 60mm the kit lens already, and I really enjoyed shooting that review video. And while I wasted an entire 4 minutes on testing the parfocal, which is proven it's not parfocal, and I tested for 4 minutes in the whole video. That took like what, I don't know, 30% of the whole video. It was so dumb. I should never have done that. Yeah, but that review was pretty cool. I put some photos and videos of Venice. Again, I know I didn't travel much this year, 2020 COVID, but we'll see what's gonna happen next. Definitely I have shot some, you know, I have some experience with the 10 to 20mm lens, but not that much because it's quite heavy, and I don't like shooting with a super heavy lens like this. And it's big, you know. It is a vlogging kind of a vlogging lens. I would position it as, you know, more of a specialized tool. It's not vlogging. For me, a vlogging lens has to be a versatile standard zoom lens that goes from 24 and up to at least 70mm in full frame term. For me, ultra wide angle lenses are just too limited for vlogging, because I like to zoom into stuff when I vlog, and just, you know, not only shooting myself in the background, I want to zoom in to whatever I'm seeing. I want to show you guys that as well. And yeah, that's why I'm not vlogging. I'm not using the Sigma 10 to 20 that much, which is it's a shame because this is a great lens anyway. But now we got the Sigma 17 to 70, so we're gonna review all these 3 lenses in the future. So you will see. Stay tuned. 3 reviews are coming. Well, if not in December, probably next year. I don't think I can finish them in December. Maybe I can. I don't know. I have no idea. I don't have a concrete schedule, but you can count on it that they are coming for sure. Now the thing about publishing a video, you know, the earlier you publish a video, the better, especially reviewing. It's like an investment. Like if you're reviewing the Sigma 10 to 20mm lens, well, this is a lens that is super old. I don't know how old this is, 10 years, 15 years, very old lens. And if you publish a review video right after it is released, then you're definitely gonna get a lot more views. You have way more time to gather the audience attention. And right now, if you review a lens after 5 years, 10 years of the lens release, you're not gonna get as much attention because people already seen what the lens can do. Or maybe a lot of people have got the lens on their hands, so they don't need to watch a review. All those factors. So it really is, it's like an investment. You have to get your hands on the lens fast and early, which for small YouTubers is kind of a difficult because we don't have the budget to buy all the new lenses anyway. But then again, I do want to, wait and shoot some more thoughtful reviews instead of rushing it. So it's kind of finding a balance kind of a thing. And the Sigma 30mm f1.4 could be a very nice niche market. This lens is pretty relatively new, I guess. It's not super new. This Sigma Prime Dual 16 and 30 and 56. These three lenses are fantastic, legendary prime lenses for APS-C, as well as Micro Four Third. People love those lenses. Oh my God, is it me or is the light is rotating? I'm rotating my body this way. I don't know why. It has to be the camera, right? I don't know what's wrong. Okay, I'm rotating my body. Somehow the light is kind of coming out of my right side constantly. I have to shift to block the light, otherwise you can't see anything like this. Anyway, so the Sigma 30mm could be an interesting review video, could get some views, but we'll see about that. I don't know yet. So far I've done some test videos. I've done test videos with the Sigma 30mm, as well as with the Sigma 10 to 20mm, as well as the Sigma 17 to 70mm. I've done tests with all of them. As soon as I get my hands on those lenses, I always just go immediately into all kind of testing, low light testing, video testing, sample photo, sample video, and bokeh testing, comparing to similar lenses, all those type of testing and sample video. I love doing those kind of stuff. But in the end, I need to sum it up in one single video, one single review video to a concise review, definitive type of a review, instead of just a little bit of sample here, a little bit of review testing there. It's all over the place. Audience can catch all that. Anyway, that's my little update on the progress, on my YouTube progress. Okay, not much. Let me check the focus. I feel like it's weird. Sorry that I have to point it at my shirt there for a bit. Let me just find a focus again. Maybe it's just me being paranoid. I just don't feel like I'm in